Yo guys, Bailey here, back with another box break. Today we're going to be breaking another Topps 2020 Series 1. I'm actually having a lot of fun with these. If you're interested, I have these two cards for sale on eBay, so go check them out. Before we get into this box break, I wanted to go over some research that I've done on some past rookies. I took a deep dive into Vladimir Guerrero Jr. and the different cards that he has, or the different rookie cards that he has in 2019. Through 2019, there were several Topps drops, Topps Series 1, Topps Update, Topps Series 2, Topps Chrome, and Topps Chrome Update, and I looked into all of these for what his top price would be for each card, and I found that in the Topps Series 1 2019, his gold card out of 2019, on December 22nd, an ungraded card sold for $57. Next, the Topps Update Series rookie card gold out of 2019, a BGS grade 10 sold on January 26th for $420. And also an ungraded update series sold February 2nd for $160. So about a third of the price of a BGS 10. Going on, the 2019 Topps Series 2 rookie Vladimir Guerrero out of 2019 gold card sold for $11 on November 23rd, which is crazy low. I don't understand why it sold for so low. If somebody could explain that to me in the comments, that would be amazing. And then his next card, his most expensive card, is the Topps Chrome Gold out of 50. Well, it's not his most expensive, but it sold for $476 on February 11th. I would say that that's the one that's selling the most and has been selling the most recently. The last card I looked into was the Topps Chrome Update gold card out of 50, and that one sold for $71. So if anybody could tell me what happened and why the prices of the different sets for the same player are so drastically different, that would be great. All right, let's get into this box. Let me grab my knife. Always got it next to me. Still pretty excited about this. I just saw one sell today. There were several that sold today for around $80. So, pretty cool. I also just bought some Dustin May cards. I bought gold out of 220 for about $4.50, and I bought a blue from a silver pack that was about $5.50 out of 129, I think. Or it might have been $199, I'm not sure. But anyway, let's get into these packs. What do you say? Let me put this one on the bottom. It blows my mind that people can open these boxes and open this pack first. It's just like, how can you open the most anticipated pack first, and then just basically everything goes downhill from there? I guess these cards aren't that great, but still, it's like, I don't really understand. Anyway, all right, pack one. All right, we're looking for, obviously, the Gavin Lux, the Bo Bichette, the Alvarez. And I think we're going to get at least one or two of them. New York. There's a Hoskins. Joey Votto, 1985. Alonzo, Turkey Red. David Dahl. Albert. That was away. Guys, I'm not going to lie, but I forgot to ask if you guys could subscribe to our channel, The Bailey Joe Card Show. That would be amazing. And if you could subscribe to our other show, our talk show, our awesome show, The Bailey Joe Show, I would appreciate that too. All right, pack 2. Kyle Hendricks. It's a cool looking card. Gregory Polanco. I see a foil. Maybe it's a gold foil. Hansel Rose. Close call. Gurriel Jr. Great. Another one. Oh. Are these guys related? Somebody tell me, please. That's funny. All right, pack 3. I haven't seen too many packs that didn't have at least, or too many blaster boxes that didn't have at least one gold card. Pete Alonso. I like that card. Yolmer Sanchez. Bryce Harper. What is that one? Topps Choice 2008. The card feels really flimsy. I do like that card though. Bryce Harper, my favorite player growing up. Because he's my age, and they were talking about him when we were like 16. I remember seeing him on ESPN, on the cover of ESPN. Pack 4. I haven't seen too many rookies so far, but that's okay, because that just means they're coming. There he is. Literally, right when I said it. Yordan Alvarez. Put a sleep on that one really quick. It's my second one of him. Feels pretty good. I'm excited to watch him play this year, to be honest with you. There he is. Nice. Zach Collins rookie. Catcher for the White Sox. Matt Carpenter. Craig Kimbrel. Roy Hoskins. Daring Denial. I like these Roy Hoskins cards. They're fun. I got about 8 of them now. Paul Goldschmidt, Home Run Challenge. I'm planning on bundling these. I have several. Oh, is that a Mustard Posey, Turkey Red? I'm gonna bundle those as well. And Sean Murphy rookie card. Catcher for the A's. All right, 3 more packs. Come on, gold card. Let's get that gold card. Gold rookie. Clayton Kershaw. Calhoun. Kikuchi. Mike Serrano. It's kind of a cool card. This is the second time I've pegged this one. I think this one sells actually. Gavin Biggio. Kyle Schwarber, 1985. Reese Hopkins, Turkey Red. Jock Peterson, and Jeff McNeil. Do some housekeeping here. All right, 2 more packs. Still waiting for that gold. All right, rookie, Jesus Luzardo, Carlos Correa, Brian Abreu, rookie card, Miggy. Tyler Naquin. I would love to get a short print too. That would be sick. 1990s Decade's Best. Oh, that's a blue Decade's Best. I wonder what the odds are on that. Decade's Best. 159. 1 out of 159. Not bad. Blue. Judge. Aaron Judge. Turkey Red. JT Riddle and Shane Bieber. It's a bit of a more rarer card, I'd say. There we go. All right. One last pack and then our rookie medallion. Come on, gold card. The last 2 boxes I've ripped, the gold card was in the last pack. So Tyler Alexander, Dale Murphy, Bobby Bradley, Shane Green, Jose Martinez, Randall Grichuk, Zach Gallen, Jacob West, I don't know. Angels, Dodgers, no gold. That sucks. Decade's Best, Willie Mays, Puig. I didn't get a gold or a Turkey Red chrome. Austin Nola. Pretty weak blaster box, I have to say. Well, if you guys haven't already, make sure you just subscribe to our channel and tune in next time because we're always breaking boxes. But before I go, Medallion. Give me an auto. Here you go. Oh, it's a black Cal Ripken. It's a black Cal Ripken. Out of 199. Alright, I guess maybe that was worth it. There's an autograph across the front. Let me look out the odds for that. Rookie Medallion, black. 1 out of every 28, so they're not too hard to pull. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out.